Bonafide Hustler here. Whoosh, Bonafide Hustler here, and we are on our way to garage sales to see if we can find some cool used items that we can flip for money. What's up, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler comes to you live from the inside of Small Spaceship. I think I should have taken the big spaceship today, but I didn't. It's early in the morning. We got the sun right there, and it's gonna be a great day, I think. We got one neighborhood-wide garage sale that's coming up in the next 5 minutes, and I am definitely early. I don't know what I'm gonna find today, but it could be amazing. That's why I go out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can get the free money-making guide right where the sun is right there. You see that? That's where the money-making guide is. This first link down below. It'll teach you 50 items that you can buy and resell for more money that you can predominantly just find used at thrift stores and garage sales. Oh boy, garage sale Saturday. I know. And I'm also driving in a Scion, okay? So like a Scion is like a cheaper Toyota, and there's like zero sound deadening in this vehicle. So if it's kind of hard to hear me, that's what's up. I should have taken my other car, but whatever. I was a little pressed for time this morning. We're gonna give it our best shot, guys. We're gonna do it. All right, first finds in the morning came from this garage sale right here. And I only spent $4, but you let me know how I did. We got a Rain Spooner Hawaiian shirt. That's pretty neat. That was $2. And then this is gonna go in the booth. I like this one a lot. This is a Western Plains Trading Company, kind of Southwestern themed shirt. $2 in the booth, probably 20 to 25. This Rain Spooner, TBD, and I'll be looking it up later when I get home. But yeah, really good brand when you're dealing with Hawaiian shirts right there. Okay, another garage sale, let's check it out. Okay, so there was a lot of commotion on this one church garage sale that I went to, and I just could not pull the camera out and everything, but I did find a couple things from the church garage sale. Nothing super crazy, but remember, if you want to make money, then saving money is also a way to make money. Does it make sense? So if you are going to buy something that you're originally needing, and you just buy it for way cheaper, then that's making money too. So we got this shower rack thing right here. You can kind of see it. And that's basically to hold more shampoos and stuff like that in the shower, and we need one of those things. So instead of spending $20, I got one for $3. I'm a sucker for a good blanket. There was a good blanket at this garage sale, so there it is right there. We also have a pair of Nike shoes that are $2 that I'm just gonna use for walking. And those are some Nike React, nothing special. The blanket's cool. I just like blankets like that, and it was $3. And so it's good enough for one person to lay on, and it's just good for a park or whatever. So blankets are cool. Love that. Okay, there's a garage sale at this one house back here. You can kind of see it right there. There are people walking around. There's all kinds of stuff for sale. And like I said, I pick up things that I need, and I really need a hose, and hoses are not cheap. They're like 20 to 50 bucks a piece, and this is one of the super good hoses. And it had an end spout thing on it as well. Got this thing for $10, and it's perfect condition. They used it like one time. And being a homeowner, it's important to just find things for the house while I'm out in the garage sale. So again, it's not the greatest day. I'm not finding a whole lot of crazy cool stuff, but I'm saving a lot of money. So that's important too. Okay, we have a garage sale here. I'm gonna give it a quick check. I might actually buy a bike off of Facebook Marketplace soon. So we'll see if there's anything cool here. If not, it's time to go buy a bike. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Yeah. Cool Fry boots here. Those are nice. We're gonna pick these up. Okay, leaving that garage sale, we got a pair of Fry harness boots. These things sell for over $100 pretty easily. Paid $10 for these at the garage sale. Pretty nice. Back at the house, and here is the Western Plains Trading Co. shirt. Pretty nice shirt, man. It's definitely gonna go in the booth. Although the booth, I really want to keep jackets and vests in there right now, and every now and then a really cool shirt like this. But I try not to pick up stuff that's not wild. So this will be going in the booth, but you know, anything less wild than this, I usually don't put it in the booth anymore. It's a very nice shirt. I like it a lot. The blanket is cool too. It's actually a little bit bigger than I originally thought it was. So it's more like a two-person blanket, but it's nice, and it's one of the thinner ones too. I like that a lot. So this blanket was an absolute score for $3. And truth is, I already used it at the Springs. It looks great though, doesn't it? The Nike React shoes look like this. Not a terrible kind of shoe, but I bet this would sell between like 30 and $50. So I might actually list these. The Rain Spooner shirt isn't anything super special. It's not going to be the kind of shirt that even grabs, I think, over $50. So might put this in the booth for 20, but I also might keep it just because it's an extra large. I spent $2 on it, and you know, This is kind of my style, right? So I ended up not getting that bike, but the person that sold it out from under me, and that was kind of weird. It would have made my morning a little bit better. But the boots that I bought in the video seconds ago, we already found a buyer for it 2 days later, maybe 3 days, 2 days later, locally, $120. Yes, $120. So we're making 110 bucks locally. I also have them like simultaneously listed on eBay for 175. But once all the promoted listings and the shipping and all that's factored in, the eBay fees, you know, getting pretty close to, you know, 110 profits. So I'm gonna get it out of here today. And these are really nice. These are the Frye harness buckle boots. These are really cool. Just goes to show you could just flip things locally. You can find things from garage sales previous weekend and start flipping it throughout the week. Well, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And quite honestly, and this is very time sensitive, but did you know that all my guides are 50% off with the code down below? Go check it out. I'll make it the first link, okay? Maybe second link. But check it out. There's a secret code. You can use it, and every one of my guides will become 50% off. You should check it out. Very time sensitive. It's only Monday through Friday. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler Ride Along Garage Sale thing. Take it easy. Goodbye.